Well, I am very excited today. Look what I've got. I've got neon paints. Yay! So normally if you've watched my channel for a little while, you'll see that I love bright colours, but I've never had an opportunity to work with neons before, and here they are. So let's run through what I have got. These are all Deco Art Americana neons. This one is fiery red. They've all got helpful tops, colour stickers on the top too, which I really like. Then this one, thermal green, that is bright. That looks a bit like nuclear fallout, that does. Then we have torrid orange, sizzling pink, super sizzling pink. This one is scorching yellow. And lastly, electric blue. So I am going to pair all of these with black paint and do a swipe. These are the canvases that I'm using today. This is a double pack. If you saw my Jerry's unboxing video, you'll see that I bought a box of these ones. I'm going to put a link up in the top corner. There'll be an eye that comes up here that will link you to the Jerry's video and other related videos and things that I think you might like. So look out in the corner up here for the eye popping up so you can click on that. These are the Practica Economy Stretch canvases, 5/8 of an inch deep in 10 by 20. So normally I do my swipes on more of a square canvas. So today I've gone long. This one is twice as long as it is wide. So I am going to mix up my colours and then come back. So my paints are all mixed and looking fabulous. Let's put those next to each other. Okay, I think I like that colour combo. And they are all mixed 50-50 paint and pouring medium, no water in any of them, and they all have 4 drops of the treadmill belt silicone in each of the cups. And then I have some black ready mixed in my squeezy bottle, which has been pretty much mixed the same way. So you don't need to watch me in real time laying out all the colours. So I'm going to put you on time lapse and I'll see you back here for the swipe. So because the colours are so crazy bright, you'll see that I've added some little bits of black around the canvas just to break them up a little bit, maybe as I swipe. I've also pre-painted the edges of the canvas with black too, so I don't need to worry too much about having enough paint to go over the edges. Oh, cat hair, occupational hazard in our house. Okay, so I'm going to use a wet paper towel. Just a piece of kitchen towel which I've got wet with a spray bottle, and I'm going to try and swipe from the top and complete all the way down to the bottom in one go. So I'm just going to put the towel very lightly into the black, because I only really want the black paint to swipe down, not the others. So I think once I've got it covered, 1, 2, 3, let's swipe. Oh wow, that looks pretty good. That looks very good. So I can see I've got a few tiny little bits of blank canvas there, so I can just pop in with a few matching colours. Seems to be the pink, which is the culprit for some reason. Got a few little bare bits there which weren't covered with the pink. And again, pink again. Pink, you're a problem maker. Okay, looking good. And I've also taken a bit of the black paint off from the top, but I can pick that up with my palette knife because I've got some spill just here. I'll just put that back on, spread it about, and we'll be covered. And obviously dragged a little bit too much of that black paint. I'd let my paper towel soak up too much of the black, I think, before I started with the swipe. But it's an easy fix. A little bit more out of my bottle. And I can just spread that about with the knife. And I think we're good. So that is very, very bright. I'm just looking over to make sure there aren't any other little blank bits of canvas, but I think I've got everything. So, wow, you know how much I love the high contrast between black and bright colours, and I think this one is a winner for me. So let me bring the camera down and show you some of the close-up details. Oh yes, that makes me happy. Look at that. Those colours, they are so, so bright. So very bright. Absolutely amazing. I love it. The colours here. Well, I think this colour corner is my favourite. Although anywhere where the pink and blue come together is really good. I love that colour together. The pink and green there is pretty spectacular. Oh, and the green and blue, that looks really nice. Now that's an interesting combo I might like to use again. That green and blue looks really good together. Oh, in fact, all the colours look good. They're all obviously from the same neon range, so they're all kind of balanced in terms of how bright they are and how well they work together. So overall, it's just perfect. It made it nice and easy. The colours were easy to pick. They were all the colours from that Deco Art neon range, and they work perfectly together. So I'm going to dry this one off and show you what it looks like when it's all finished. Well, here it is finished, and I have to say I love this painting. I always love bright colours anyway, so any opportunity I get to work with bright colours and contrast them with black I love, even more so now I've tried these neon paints. These are just extraordinary. If you love bright colours, you're going to love these paints. So thanks for following along with me today. If you haven't already, I hope that you will subscribe to my channel, and please hit that little bell icon so you'll be notified when I do new videos. See you here again very soon.